Is the robot on the table? Yes, the robot is on the table. Are the blocks under the table? No, the blocks are not under the table. Where are the toys? The toys are on the table. What are these? They are cars. What is it? It is a boat. What do you see? I see a train. Are those planes? Yes, they are. Are those trains? No, they are not. What do you see on the box? I see a cat on the box. What do you see under the box? I see a cat under the box. Where is the cat? It is in the box. What do you see? I see a ball. Is it a top? Yes, it is a top.